is one of the most talked about cities in the country, and it's the ideal college town. From high culture and arts, to nightlife, to an abundance of outdoor recreation, Boise State Broncos know how to enjoy the fun of a big city while maintaining a small town vibe. My name is Maddie Fairchild, and I am a senior majoring in business. In this series, we're excited to share with you 3 of the best activities in entertainment and events, outdoor recreation, and sightseeing that should be on everyone's bucket list throughout the seasons in Boise. And the best part is that all of this is within an hour of campus, and it's free. Let's go! Boise State is an outdoor lover's paradise. While the summers are hot here, there's plenty to do. The Boise River extends over 100 miles through southern Idaho, and it goes right through campus. There's plenty to do on the river. You'll catch people fly fishing and paddleboarding right downtown. In fact, did you know you can even go surfing on the river at Esther Singplot Park? But our favorite river time activity by far is floating down the main stretch of the river to cool off. Bring your friends and make it a full day event.
We definitely have some crazy moments with that, losing oars, finding flip-flops like halfway down the river and stuff like that, but it's always a really good experience.
I'm currently walking on the Boise Greenbelt. It's a 25-mile pedestrian path that runs along the river the entire time and extends to opposite ends of the city. It goes through many city parks, and luckily for students, it goes right through campus. This is a popular path for runners, walkers, bikers, and even scooters. It's up to 10 degrees cooler on the Greenbelt during the summer, so it's a perfect place to hang out in the shade. If you're seeking a little bit of thrill, check out Rhodes Skate Park. It's located right downtown. It was actually renovated in 2016. With over an acre of various obstacles, this park has hosted an X Games event 3 years in a row, making it a great destination for skateboarders and BMX riders of all skill levels. Boise also features a number of bike parks and trails, the closest ones being right in the military reserve about 2 miles from campus. If you're an art lover and you're looking for something a little bit more chill to do in the summer, the Boise Art Museum is something you're definitely going to want to check out. Students get free entry simply by presenting a valid student ID. Located in Julia Davis Park, this museum is a great escape from the hustle and bustle of the city to enjoy visual art and quiet contemplation. If you're looking for something a little bit more high energy, you can head over Friendship Bridge right into downtown, where dozens of events happen all summer long. One of our faves is a Live After 5 concert series that happens right in the heart of downtown at the Grove Plaza every Wednesday evening.
I think that's such a great word to put with the city, is just how alive it is. It feels as though like it is a city full of people living their lives.
This summer concert series features live music from different local musicians every week for people to enjoy. And the best part is, it's completely free. Now, we know that there's no lack of fun in the summertime in Boise, but don't take our word for it. Let's see what some other students have to say about summertime in Boise.
Being here with how much greenery there is, like it does feel like the city of trees, just because there's so many trees around here. You have the river, which is just beautiful.
So as you can see, Bronco student life is filled with all kinds of adventure, and these free options are just the beginning. Stay tuned to our next video where we show you even more things to do in Boise if you have a little bit of cash to spare. We'd love to see your clips and videos from your own adventures while living here in Boise. So tell us, Broncos, what's on your Boise bucket list? Thanks for watching, and as always, go Broncos!